Okay. Okay, I'll be recording.
You're gonna record? Okay.
Yeah.
He's gonna record. Okay, you're gonna do it.
Okay, so first thing we have to do.
I'll do it from over here.
Place the pig on its back, the dorsal surface on the dissecting tray. Tie a
It's kind of hard
string.
because it's like.
Yeah. Tie a string to one of the forelegs of the pig. Wrap the string around the bottom of the tray and tie it to the other foreleg. So, like
Still tiny.
Sure. Do you have a partner? Yeah.
okay. Then repeat with the hind legs. Oh, we did the front first. That's okay.
We're not gonna have enough.
Is it safe to
Yeah, maybe not.
tie the front and the back leg? So there's 5 10
Just the front and back. What's the picture is?
Okay, I'm gonna go grab it in a sec.
This is actually really difficult. Should have gotten more string. Oh well.
Oh,
Got it? I think so.
Okay.
I think that's tight.
Already open.
So it's already started to rip over by the lateral side of the neck. Lateral right. It'd be from the pig's right or from our right?
Lateral.
I'm not sure if it'd be from
That's
the
our right.
Yeah.
Pig's left.
Oh, when we say the right side or left side, are we saying the pig's right side or our right side?
We use the pig as reference.
This is
because
our
when
right.
we look at the heart, we're gonna look at the left ventricle and right ventricle, and it's supposed to be left of the pig.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can use the scissors to make incisions in the sequence indicated in figure 3. Start by cutting above and to the sides of the umbilical cord.
It's probably better to
So
play around and like
above and to the sides, so you can start with the number 1 is above and to the sides. So you're gonna cut. We're gonna cut from here.
Tie a string to one of the forelegs. Grab the
Well,
string, grab the
say to
bottom
the sides, but
tie it to the other foreleg. Repeat with hind legs.
the first line in this diagram is going
Yeah.
anterior.
So we're just gonna go up.
I have a feeling that cutting with the
Do you want to use
scissors.
the scalpel?
Yeah.
Yeah, cutting with the scissors will be difficult. So we have to be careful with the scalpel because we might cut too tight. Okay, stop. I have to go around the umbilical cord also. Is the scalpel sharp enough?
It's pretty dull.
Yeah.
They have to be separated. Like this.
It's going through though. Slowly.
Sprawled out.
Oh, okay.
He's so tiny, how are we supposed to do that?
Anybody else not have a pig? Oh, you guys don't? Okay.
You guys let me know anything you want me to write down.
Okay.
So one of the problems we're already encountering in this dissection is dull scalpel. So yeah. So you're doing to the side, and remember that we have to do, according to this diagram, to the top of the umbilical cord and then kind of off to the side and down.
Okay.
So
Oh, perfect amount of wow, look at that. Perfect amount of time.
So I think I cut into the stomach
that looks like the liver.
or the liver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we want to keep going all the way up to the top of the thoracic cavity.
Right here.
I think that's a little bit too high. If we look in the picture, it's along to the line of the shoulders.
Like here.
I guess so, yes.
It almost doesn't look like a little pig.
Yeah, I know. It's the base.
I'm just trying to go a little bit at a time so I don't cut through anything. So the ribs are in this. I think we need the scissors.
Okay.
So I was thinking of
Yeah.
I don't know, I didn't take it. Same.
Cutting the ribs, though, is actually part of one of the further steps.
Oh,
So,
you don't want me to then?
well, I don't know, maybe we should follow the steps.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, so then you want to cut laterally this way and this way. Connective tissue here. Yes. I think we did it a little bit low actually, according to this picture, because that's at the shoulder line. But
It's gonna open up anyways.
Yeah.
And pin it down probably. So.
as long as it opens up. Whatever.
Start by cutting above and each side of the umbilical cord right here.
So I am now at the ribs. Okay. And where else?
Okay, and then above the umbilical cord, so along here laterally, we're gonna have to be very careful not to cut more of the liver.
Yep. Do you want me to use the scissors?
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Is it soft?
Yeah, but it's so dull.
Yeah, the dull tools are thwarting our attempts.
Incision 1 is the medical
I wonder what that blue liquid is. Maybe it's like iodine or something?
They put something in the veins and arteries so
To
you can see them
preserve
more
it, yeah.
clearly.
do number 1 first. From the umbilical cord towards
Our tools are very, very dull.
Yeah. I already cut through the liver.
Through what?
The liver.
Oh.
A little bit.
I know, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
I know. Sorry.
Your pig's so tiny.
They're very small. They're smaller than I remember them being.
Yeah.
They normally are like the full size of a shrimp.
Yeah.
Are you recording the whole thing?
Yes. For documentation. We can review it later and we can
Okay.
identify any obstacles we had during the course of the lab. So we don't have to rely on memory.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big liver.
Yeah, your liver's pretty big. Yeah.
Biggest organ besides your size.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, after that, okay, we've got the one, I think we didn't get all the incisions.
Well, this is connected. So I didn't want to. I think it's just tendon. Do I just cut that so that way it'll open up?
I believe so.
Okay. I'm going for it. There we go. That's better.
So we kind of only have one incision here instead of going down, but we have the fourth incision along here, I think. If we look at the picture, I'm trying to...
Sorry, which one?
This picture.
4?
Yeah, that's kind of around the groin area.
Like this?
I believe so, yes.
That makes no sense though. Why don't we just cut down?
I don't know.
How's it going back here?
Trying to match up the incisions with the picture. It's not going exactly as planned, but
Let's have a look. Are you just gonna hold that for the whole time? Your arm's gonna be tired.
documentation.
That looks pretty good. You want to,
The tools are very dull.
oh, well, let's sharpen them. You'll want to pull it back, right?
Oh, okay. She's more aggressive than I am.
Grab the skin and just go underneath like that with the skin so that you can pull it back and see exactly what you're looking at.
Oh, cool.
And do that for the whole thing, and then you'll see how much more you need to cut down.
Okay.
Okay. So
How's it going here? I know
So you're separating the connective tissue from the ribs, it looks like.
Rib cage.
Rib cage and the muscles around the rib cage.
What are those called? Intercostal muscles?
yep.
So. Oh, and there's fluid in the body. Tissue fluid.
So when you do it, you grab.
Sorry, I gotta do this.
Sure. That's what you need to do.
That smell.
I guess we're trying our observations.
And then you'll go back up.
What about transitions? Cut from the side of the sharper. Oh, there's a lot of posterior.
It's slippery.
Top side of the umbilical cord down each side of the umbilical cord toward the tail end.
There we go. It's a little tricky to get it started, but
Yeah, once you have the line of the separating tissue, then it gets a bit easier, right?
That's what I was worried about. That's what I'm trying to do.
there's some bone in here.
Yeah.
And then you can kind of see what's underneath before you're trying to cut.
That makes it so much easier.
Right? And I know they don't tell you that in the book, but that just makes it easier to know.
Trying to cut the skin in one
So Eric, you can just join these guys, or those guys, or these guys.
I think we might need to do it at the top too, because we're gonna have to look at the throat and the epiglottis. And
Do we want to
like
take
here.
No, we
It's
don't.
kind of like an extra incision that.
Do we?
Crossed?
Do you need somebody?
Yeah.
Very gently.
Yeah.
So you can see the heart, the stomach.
Like a loop almost.
We're supposed to start from the above and then like go around it.
I don't understand. Get the scissors or just go around.
So what's the goal?
We have to like
Entirely
look
wrong.
at their like digestive system and
Then we gotta like sketch it out at one point.
The neck is hard.
Do you want me to do it?
Sure, you can try.
Okay. Great.
Yeah, there's is a bunch there. We don't have a look and
she
see.
said that we can sharpen them too.
Yeah. Because there's so many. I'll go grandma. Thank you.
So try,
So I'm trying to attack it.
Tested before.
Go towards the anterior to take off the connective tissue, because that's what's making it difficult to come off, I think.
It might not be that it's not pushing it or putting that pressure. I just don't want to cut it in by accident.
Okay, so we're seeing some of something here. I think that
Esophagus?
that may have
trachea?
been. I believe the esophagus is behind the trachea,
Yeah, you're right.
so that would be the trachea. It looks like it's been cut into, but that's okay. He doesn't need to breathe anymore. So we're seeing veins or arteries here.
So they'll have dyed it instead of blue
Yeah.
versus red.
What would be the difference?
Have you talked about oxygenated versus deoxygenated?
Yeah, so that's why they did the.
So the blue would be the veins and red the arteries.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've opened this up.
Like a versus artery. It's just good to see like some organs are getting a lot of blood flow.
Do you want me just to get you a stand to put that on?
Yeah, you have to open it so you can see what's inside.
I just feel like you're making me tired just like watching you. I'm not even have to do anything.
That's alright.
Yeah, we're just
So-
going underneath the skin so we can see what's underneath it.
Kind of opened this up. Do you think I should cut across here to open it up?
Just
From the
Use
skin
scissors.
cord up to the head, and then you
I haven't tried to use those scissors yet. They seem very frustrating to use because they're so dull.
So it doesn't keep closing the eyes. This one's a little bit harder because this one's kind of always very skin.
at least the intestine.
Because that's the stomach right there. That's the hard. This might be the liver.
So when we're done pulling back all the flats, we need to use pins to hold them back. We have those pins here.
Yeah. This is gonna start with the hard maybe.
No. Is that sharpened?
Yeah.
Okay, we will try this.
The next step has to be straight across. Yeah, it's really better.
I'm not sure which device is better for holding your cell phone, whether it's this one or this one, but
I love all the contraptions that you have. That's great.
you doing okay with the cutting?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this.